Alright, here we are. Blizzard 2010. We got Chris this time. How's it going, Chris?
It's going all right.
And it's quite a storm. It's still going on. There's a little lull in the action, so to speak, but the wind is making these snowbanks. You got Dad back there. How's it going?
All right. It's cold.
It's cold, huh? Yeah, 2 years ago I had my sister here, Chris. The same situation. So, you know, snowstorm video. Here we are 2 years later with another substantial storm. I guess you guys in New England are used to this, eh?
Oh yeah.
Got snow plowing or... Now look at this. Now all of a sudden it's white again from the wind, isn't that?
Yep. It'll blow right across the road.
There it is. Whoa. It's beautiful.
So everybody come to New England. It's beautiful here.
Yeah. Atkinson. Come spend your money in Atkinson.
There's a snow plow coming.
Yeah, but what good's he doing?
Oh, he's just going to another place.
He's got a nice plow though. He's got the Blizzard plow. Yeah, Chris has got off today. He paints houses. If you need your house painted, contact Chris. But it's a bit tough to paint your house in this weather, you know. Boy, the wind is just whipping up there. It's cool how it goes from like almost asphalt to complete winter wonderland. Look at that! Look at the trees just coated in the... You're pretty good at driving this stuff, Chris. I'd be inching along. You got snow tires on this mobile?
All season tires.
All season, all right, okay. Oh, they're gonna get tested today.
Remember to have my camera.
Oh yeah, Dunkin' Donuts. What do you do in a blizzard? You go to Dunkin' Donuts. Although I have to admit, they screwed up my order a couple days ago.
The donut man's been in there since 3 a.m. in the morning when it was really the blizzard.
I wonder if they're open. Oh, they'll be open, I guess. Yeah, there's serious
Usually
plow guys, yeah.
Yeah, actually, Dunkin' Donuts is probably very busy.
Yeah. These guys have been going non-stop all night. Look at the trees. Look how beautiful it is. Absolutely lovely. This is what I love about New England. Now there's a plow in action. Clearing out the house there. Cruising here down by the post office. I wonder if the post office is open. Are they essential or not essential employees? Yeah, they're closed. Post offices closed tighter than the... Are they open? Oh yeah, they're open. Look at that. No customers, but they're open. Good job, U.S. Postal. We got the train. Train stopped right here. I wonder what he stopped for. Oh, he's got a...
That's a freight train.
He got snowed in or whatever.
He's got a red light. So he's waiting for the red light.
Oh yeah, he's got a red light right down there. Cool. Big old freight train.
Here's a cloud.
Dover saddlery. Blowing the drifts around. Pretty cool. Manageable storm though. People can drive in this. But gotta be careful. Here we we are in Plastown now. I learned that.
These are New England drivers. Imagine if they had this in LA.
They had this in LA. I think the world would be coming to an end, according to.
There's a plow, David.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a real one.
He makes big plows.
Oh yeah, slippage. Cleared out there. Hugh Hafner's. Oh no,
Well, not
different
you.
guy. He's getting married, Chris was saying. Not Hafner, but Hefner. Here we are, Dunkin' Donuts. The destination of any serious snowstorm. Man, there's a couple snow plower. Alright, let's go. Get some glazed donuts. Alright, good helpful service at Dunkin' today. They said slower than normal. Because a lot of people took off work. It's starting to pick up again, the snow here. Oh yeah. Those all-season tires kicked in there. So Plastown's Massachusetts, right?
No, it's New Hampshire.
That's New Hampshire? Oh, okay, so this is all New Hampshire.
Yep.
And all Haverhill is the next city
Mass.
next. Yeah. So we're just in Plastown, New Hampshire.
About 5 miles north of Massachusetts border.
Here's a local VW. Veterans of Foreign Wars. Oh no, American Legion. It's an American Legion. Of course, that was a VW. There's the train still down there. Big freight train. It's got a red light. Looks like he's been sitting for a while.
Yeah.
Got some snow in the back there. But not that long. I mean, it's not like it's, well, I guess it'd be blowing off the. There he is, just. Snowblower operator. Yeah, global warming. Mr. Gore, please explain. Well, you know, Al Gore didn't even take into account the sun in his calculations. Sunspots and solar flares, CMEs, but the Mayans did. But Al Gore, oh heck no. Well, that's an interesting. That's a multi-purpose machine there. Front end loader, back end loader, snowplow. Whoa. Alright. Some good action there. Yeah, it's pretty slippery. You gotta be real careful. It's not, How are the roads, Chris? How's it?
It's not bad.
Not bad?
Huh.
Yeah, Chris is born and raised in New England. He knows the snow action. I love this. Is one of my favorite views in Atkinson. This yellow old house with the white church behind it. Looks even better in the snow. Beautiful town, Atkinson. Well, we did it. Survived the storm of December 2010. Great job, guys. We got our donuts, we got our coffee, we're all set. Let it snow.
Compared to her, until about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning will be the crux of this storm. That's how you really need that.
Going out.
Good luck, man.
Thank you.
I'm staying here. No, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't miss this for the life of me. Blizzard of 2010 and we're grilling outside. How's it going, Jeff?
It's going great.
Blizzard of 2010 and we got the pork.
Here, Jeff.
Look how deep it is. Good job.